Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and press on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Cassava cake is a native Philippine dessert. It's delicious, so keep on watching. The ingredients you need are 2 cups of grated cassava, half a cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 6 tablespoons of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of grated cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, and 1/4 teaspoon of melted butter. If you are not a fan of butter, you can use coconut oil as a substitute. So let's begin. Cut off both ends of the cassava and peel it. And the easiest method of peeling the cassava is using a peeler. First, mix the eggs, the milk, and the condensed milk together. Mixing the liquids first makes it easy to mix in the other ingredients. Spray cooking oil on the pan to keep it from sticking and pour in the batter. When the oven is heated to 350 degrees, place the batter inside the oven and bake it for 1 hour. Meanwhile, prepare the topping by combining 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese in the heated pan. Pour in half a cup of condensed milk, then mix thoroughly. Pour 1 cup of evaporated milk. Stir until it looks like frosting. Pour the topping over the cassava cake and spread evenly. Garnish with cheddar cheese. Set the oven and broil and place the cassava cake back until the top is light brown, which is about 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Firebrand Girls and share this video and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.